Anyway, the dryer belt come off, so I'll show y'all how to fix that. Take this thing off. Now that you have those two off, just sort of slide this on like that. Sometimes you'll have to jam a little card or a putty knife in there, but mine's been open a lot of times, so it's kind of all wallered out. I'll set y'all up. Try and see. Once you do that, you can lift it up. One thing I forgot, you always unplug it. Now the tricky part here is there's two hex bolts. Demonetized from that kid. Not believe that. Every video been getting demonetized from that kid. Playing these dumb songs. But look, yep, the belt's off. I knew it. Anyway, there's these two that hold the front cover on like so. And you should take this off here. And it's hard to get off. Sometimes you can leave that on if you're real good. I like to take it off. Now this should lift up. It's on like two little pins. Set that aside. Let's see here. I actually did this one this time on accident. But, this is what holds the belt on. It's right there. So. The belt actually comes up under that, through there. And it's a lot easier if you take all the clothes out. Because that's heavy right there. And I do that, and it's easier to put the belt on after. Leave me alone for a minute, son. I don't remember doing it like that. I guess that's right. Yep. Yep, looks good. You see that? So, we'll see. Super good. to get it back on those pins. Here's a close-up of them pins. Because the top fell down.